Inevitably, when working with equipment, you're going to have breakdowns and failures. A very common failure with the MT100 is losing a track. Here is a quick example of some tools you're going to need to put your tracks back on. Dunnage to help get the machine up in the air, a large pry bar or stiff shovel, a 1.5-inch wrench to loosen the tensioner, a 9/16 wrench or socket to remove the tensioner retention plate, and some steel pins to help get the tracks over the idlers. When getting the tracks off of a machine, we're going to need to get the machine up off the ground. The easiest way to do that is to use some dunnage under the rear and the bucket up front to lift the machine. You want to make sure you have a wide base on some solid ground. Use the hydraulics of the machine to lift it up. We now have the tracks off the ground and we can begin work. Whenever a machine is suspended, you want to avoid sticking any part of your body between the machine and the ground. With the tensioner retention plate removed, we now need to take the track tension out. We do that by tightening this bolt in a clockwise fashion. You can tell that your tensioner is completely slacked out when you have this much loose track. This rear idler is in contact with this rear drive wheel. Once you got there, we can get the track off. To get the track off, we're going to use these solid steel pins to ride the teeth out and get them out from underneath this rear idler. Place your pins in between the teeth to help draw them away. At this point, we're going to start the machine and use the machine to walk the track around the idler. You want to line it up just about there. And that's when we grab our pry bar and work the track off. So with a little bit of prying, and as you rotate those pins through, it'll cause the track to jump off that lower idler. And you can now remove the track.